Dear Libra people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the power of love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and to give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the cards well and praying to the divine to give you the message that you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is harmony. The description on the card reads, you are able to feel a loving, balanced connection with everything. Harmony and balance are the most noted traits of Libra people. Harmony consists in possessing a balanced connection with every dimension of your situation, despite the fact that you encounter obstacles that could derail your harmonious connectedness. The foundation of harmonious connection with the outside world is the balanced connectedness you feel within you. You must realize that though the things that originate from outside, which you often cannot fully control, could upset your equilibrium, you have control over your inner self. If you do not allow your inner self to be disturbed, maintain an inner sense of balance and approach these upsetting external situations with attitudes of love, compassion, and empathy, you could transport your inner harmony to the outer situation as well. When you are at peace with yourself, it is easier to be at peace with everything else. The theme of the second card is satisfaction. The description on the card reads, you let the energy of love guide you to self-approval so that others no longer define who you are. When you possess a harmonious and balanced relationship with yourself and experience a similar connectedness with every other person and event in your life, you experience a sense of satisfaction. The attitude of satisfaction brings in you self-acceptance and self-validation as you realize that you are everything the universe wants you to be. So let your self-critical ego vanish. You let the power of your soul open you to self-discovery. And you neither seek validation from outside nor compare yourself to others. You truly love the person you are and accept your person with great joy and gratitude as the gift of the divine. The theme of the third card is creativity. The description on the card reads, you love to devise new ideas, innovations, and forms of illumination. The attitudes of harmony and satisfaction grounds and settles you in the depths of your soul. Having deeply rooted in your spiritual foundations, you are now ready, like a tree, to branch out, to be creative, to devise new ideas, to make new innovations, to bring enlightenment to those in darkness, and be a beacon of hope for the hopeless. The universe calls you to put to use your creative energies for the service of others. Attune yourself to the loving energy of your heart and that of the universe. Be an inspiration and bring the earth closer to heaven. The theme of the fourth card is friendliness. The description on the card reads, you are able to recognize traits in common with another in order to forge love-based connections. Being grounded in the attitudes of harmony and satisfaction, you are called not only to branch out to the creative sphere with your innovative ideas and inspiration, but also to the sphere of love with an attitude of friendliness. The attitude of friendliness helps you to offer yourself to others without expectations or conditions. By sending forth the energy of friendliness in your environment, you negate negativity, toxicity, and meaninglessness, and instead instill positivity, gentleness, and purposefulness. You acknowledge everyone for what they are and ready to do what is in your power to change their world for the better. Dear Libra friends, in the month of July, the universe is calling you to ground yourself on attitudes of harmony and satisfaction and manifest your creativity and friendliness in order to change your world for the better, particularly for those persons who are part of your world. May the divine bless all your plans and endeavors and use you as an instrument of the universe to manifest divine creativity and friendliness. This is my wish and prayer for you for the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.